Hi guys, welcome to WebSense Pro. Welcome to another Elementor tutorial video. A pretty small and a short trick which will help you increase engagement if you are a web designer or a developer, and if you are having difficulty embedding YouTube shorts video, not the long form video, but if you are trying to embed short form video on your Elementor website, then this video is for you. A little fix, but it will help you embed the YouTube short video. So without further ado, let's get into the screen. But before going into that, make sure to subscribe the channel to keep watching more videos. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to WebSense Pro. I'm your co-host Nadashek with another tutorial on Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll show you the updated way to embed YouTube Shorts in Elementor. So stay tuned, I'll tell you step by step how easily you can embed your YouTube Shorts in Elementor. First of all, I'll add a new page here. From the left side, you guys can see pages. You need to click add new page here. Okay, so I named it as embed YouTube Shorts, and let's click edit with Elementor. So you guys can see that the page is inserted here. Now what I need to do is, for example, I wanted to add a container here. Let's drag a container widget. From the left hand side, let's drag a heading widget first. Okay, this is for my heading, and what else I need is a 2-column structure here. We'll add 2 shots here on both the sides so that I can show you guys how you can embed your shots in Elementor. Okay, let's change the heading here. Okay, so I've given my heading some styling. Now coming to the main part, we need to drag a video widget here. Just drag and drop here in our first container here. Okay, for this is my page you guys can visit, and these are the shots which I have made. What I need to do is I need to copy the link of the shot and paste it here in the link. From content, you'll get the link option. Just paste it here. When you paste it, you guys can see that you can't see anything. It's not working. What changes we need to make is, instead of this word shots, we need to change it to embed. Okay, when I change this word, you guys can see it will automatically start working, and my shot is ready. Let me do it one more time so that you guys can learn it easily. We'll drag and drop the video widget. Okay, this is the shot which I need to place in my Elementor page. Okay, so let's paste it again. So you guys can see it's not working again. Let's change the word shot to embed, and now it will start working automatically. Okay, what else do we have here is the start time, the end time, the autoplay option. You can mute if you want. You can make it in a loop. Player controls we have, modest branding we have, and okay, you guys can have some privacy mode and other type of options as well. You can set it. Okay, this is how you can embed YouTube Shorts in Elementor. Let me click update and show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, this is how you can embed your YouTube Shorts in Elementor, and see it on the place. You guys can see your shots are working properly. This is how you can embed your YouTube Shorts in 2024. So this is the most updated way. I hope you like this tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment below so that I can make more such videos for you.